How to change Roblox account location. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, as of the moment, I'm inside the official help center of Roblox, and today we are going to discuss on how you can do this. Basically, how is the account location determined? Now, if you registered your account using a device, your device is usually connected to your mobile data or a Wi-Fi. From there, Roblox will go ahead and identify your IP address, and from there they will determine the location of your account. And so you cannot manually set the location of your Roblox account. Now, heading over to the article right here, we can then go ahead and see on how do I change my account location. Basically, if you want to go ahead and change your location, all you have to do is to go ahead and contact their customer support. From here, all you have to say that you recently moved to another country. You have to go ahead and verify this through some verifications like Wi-Fi or IP address. So you can just go ahead and put your birthday right here. And right after that, you have your username, which is optional, first name, your email address. This is really important because they will contact you with this email address right here. You have to confirm that specific email address. Now into the issues, you can just go ahead and select what type of device you're playing on, and from here you can then go ahead and choose specific experience issues. Now you can just go ahead and describe your issue right here on why you want your account location to be changed. And so in a few weeks or days, Roblox will try to go ahead and contact you with the email that you have provided. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.